Okay, so I've been making post tops on my CR10 Reality 3D printer. I got these little metal posts that I bought for, I don't know, I think I gave five bucks a piece for them. I'm going to use them for a fence post. They need a top on them. And I really like this one. It's fairly thick. It's fairly flat. But I thought I'd see if I could make a cone top one. And so I've got the printer fired up, and it is currently building a cone top or a pyramid topped fence post top. And it'll actually be like this. That's how it's building it. But it's starting with the point, of course. And what I did was I had it construct a pallet, and that's a very thick base underneath that to help to try to support it as it builds this pyramid or cone top. All right, so I'm going to let it go for a little while, and then I will show you as it gets closer to the top. Hopefully it doesn't screw up. Still got a ways to go. I'm using 30% infill. I like 30% infill. I think it makes for a better product. I'm also using a 0.2 millimeter laydown of plastic. I'm running the bed at 60 centigrade and 200 centigrade on the nozzle. Been running for 46 minutes. Looks like I've got about 3 hours total, 2.5 to 3 hours to print this. So I'm using Cura slicing program. I don't remember which one, 7 I think, but I'm not really sure. And then STL came from Thingiverse. There's somebody made a cap generator. You put the dimensions in, and you can stretch it here and there. And that's what made that cap, and that's what made this cap. They're the same program. It's just that this one's been stretched. The bevel, this bevel right here, has been stretched up on it. And so when I thought, well, how the heck am I going to print this thing? And I think this is working. I was a little hesitant. I was afraid that it would break off or something, and it may still, but so far I'm happy with it. The finished cap is, it gives you a reference to how how wide that has to be before it starts building up. And capping that off and then putting those rib pieces in. If you're wondering, that cap is 57.2 millimeters across, square. Okay, so we're done with the top part. And now what it's doing is forming the bottom, the inside bottom. Right in here, you see the same markings there, as you can see there. And then it will start building these ribs, and that's what actually holds it down in the pipe. Okay, you can see where it's making the ridges that support that keep the cap down tight on the top of the pole. I'm making this one as a sample. I want to see what it's going to look like. May use it, may not use it. I've got 3 different samples now. I'm going to make a 4th one. And then I'm going to make 20 of one or the other. I decided the one I want, and then a friend of mine bought some of the same poles, and I'm going to make 10 for him also, depending on which one he likes. When you see it next time, it should be completely finished. Okay, so there is the completed post. I've already broke it loose, so it comes right loose. I use glue stick on the glass on my CR10. That seems to work great for me. You can use it 3 or 4 times. Reapply it, whatever. After a while, you clean it off. But that's the post. I gotta take that pallet off, and it should break right off. There it goes. Broke right off, no problem. A little bit of a defect on that corner. Kind of see it there. The other corners look fine. I don't know why that one decided to screw up, but then again, it printed upside down. A little bit of porosity on the top. May have to seal that with some glue if I do decide to use this design. Alright, that's it. I love how that printed upside down though. That's so cool. Alright, please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks.